Canva has made our lives so much easier because we don't have to stare at a blank screen to come up with a design. We're going to be creating a flyer together today, and we're going to use our Magic Design, and we're going to go through Magic Design together. To start our design process, we're going to ask Magic Design to help us with ideas. We're going to go find Magic Design and we're going to upload a media. Click on Insert Media, and then the box will open up where you can drop your file and add your video or your image. Find your image and let Canva do its magic. And Magic Design is giving me different kinds of sizes. There's an A4 size, 210 by 297, and there's a story size, there's an Instagram size. Then you can go through all of the design ideas that the software is giving to you, and you can pick any one of these and you can run with them. And if you want to change the media, you click on media and you choose another file. If you want to select a different style, for example, you pick a different style and then you look at the results, and then it applies the different results styling that you've selected. When you would like to add a headline, for example, for sale or on special, for example, when you add the results and then you get that headline that you want to create a flyer. So what I want you to know is, when it comes to flyer, your picture or your image needs to be stunning, and you need to have an information that's just enough for somebody who's browsing through a flyer. It's not a novel. Don't add a lot of information because people don't have time to read a flyer. They want enough information to tell them that there's a special on and where to go to, a call to action. For example, a website that redirects them to where they need to get that special that you are sharing with them there. We're going to be designing our own design. We are designing a flyer for elitebeautysa.co.za, one of my clients. Join me on Canva, let's design together. You're going to open a blank flyer canvas. Then you're going to upload any image that you want to use. We've already uploaded the image you've seen, so we're going to add the image to our canvas. The objective with the flyer is to get sales and to get people know that Elite Beauty is running a special. So the less information, the better. Add what's attractive and get people to read through and then click on the website with adding a call to action. So we're going to flip image horizontally, and then we're going to change the background by clicking on the canvas itself and changing the color to the brown color. So we're going to pick the color. I love this brown that's already here. We're going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and take off the background because I want to manipulate that. We click on background remover. You do need Canva Pro for that, and you can trial it with my link below. And now that it's done, I'm happy. I'm going to adjust the image, and then I'm going to go to my elements and add frames. So I'm going to add LASH, so those lashes, I'm going to add those. And then reducing them and lining them up on the side. Group them, size them. Cool. Then you're going to go to your elements again and you're going to search for shine or shining so that you add the shining image inside the frame. So I went with shine, I went to photos, and then I scrolled down and I found a nice image that I will drop. Make it suit whatever kind of design that you want. Next, we're going to go back to our elements and we're going to be looking for a 50% sale sign like that one. And then we add text. Then you add more text of your call to action and letting people how much it is and your call to action. So flyers do not need to be complicated, and because people don't have a lot of time to stop and think and read through all of the information that you're adding. So it depends on the type of flyer that you are really designing. On this particular one, the goal is to get people to get to Joanne's website and buy the magic lashes. And there you go. Here's your design for elitebeautysa.co.za with the biggest 50% off to attract the person that's going to see the flyer. When is it going to end? Nice, amazing looking lash, magnetic lash design on the side. And the price, very simple, straight to the point, as simple as that. We do have a signature course at learnwithza.com that has more than 50 lessons to help you in your design journey. I cannot wait to see you there, and I will also see you on the next video.